11 o'clock. What? Oh. 140 is probably gonna fail.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio.
He died on me.
The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXM69 of Ohio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special bell receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If
Go off
there
for a
is a
week.
threat of severe
Another
weather,
thing.
the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even when you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watch out and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Highland, Jackson, Pike, Ross, Scioto, and Benton. In Kentucky, Lewis and Mason. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXM69 of Ohio. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Jackson and Benton. High temperatures are expected to rise into the upper 80s to low 90s. Temperatures can rise to 72 level and heat index values in the upper 90s from afternoon into the evening. Water activation may be needed this afternoon and evening.
Even on him.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KJY68 Ohio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special bill receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, Jackson, Pickaway, Pike, Ross, and Benton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJY68 Chillicothe, Ohio.
Alright. Synopsis. 74-210 failed. That's not a rare occurrence though. Tech America went off. WR8000 went off. 259 went off early. Jensen went off. K388 went off. K110 died right before the test. Figured I was coming up. Whoa, we don't need a domino effect here. And then over here, WX67 went off. ER10 went off. HH went off. 262 does not like to go off when I'm home. It'll probably go off during the severe weather stuff today. 249 went off. That's self-explanatory. I did fine tune it, but sometimes it does not like to go off. Right? And sometimes it does not like reception. 250 went off, even though it's blocked by the 249's antenna. 996 went off. Oh, that's nice. Zone Guard Plus bailed on me. and the CKW 2000 went off. So there was that.